Hey guys, welcome back to the Snap Ring Chronicles. And as you can see, this is a tool haul time. Yeah, it's that time of the year where you see a lot of garage sales and stuff, and the weather's nice, so there's a lot of activity out there. And of course there's going to be a lot of activity in the tool arena. So this is a tool haul that I came upon mostly Craftsman, USA Craftsman. All the Craftsman you see here is USA. And what kind of really stood out to me is that all these Craftsman tools that you're looking at, they all look unused. They're USA. They look like late model USA models. They're not like the more vintage from like the 60s or 70s or anything like that. They look like they were just before they stopped, or they switched production to overseas, China, Taiwan, whatever it might be right now. But yeah, this looks like more late model stuff, but all USA. And there's a couple of things here that aren't Craftsman. So let's jump into it and see what we got. Okay, just to clear the air for the non-Craftsman stuff, here's a set of channel locks. This is the 440 channel lock. This one also almost brand new. Didn't see much use. The teeth look pretty new. There's a little bit of maybe some flash rusting, but I don't think that these saw much use. There's a little bit of dirt here, but that'll clean up pretty good. And the other channel lock is this set of pliers. This is the 369 model of Lineman Pliers. This is a pretty big plier. This is let me see here. It's about 9.5 inches long. So this is the big set of pliers, not the smaller set of Lineman Pliers. And this one also doesn't look like it's seen much use. Looks like it might have been in a toolbox and got a little bit dirty. The teeth on this don't look like seen much action. A little bit of a like that flash kind of rusting there, but this should clean up and look almost new. What else? Oh, and this set of gear wrench. There's a set of I think 7 gear wrenches here. Ratcheting. One end is ratcheting. These are metrics. So here's the 15 and 18 and 14, 13, 12, 10 and 8. And these also look pretty new. I don't see like you can tell if a tool's been used, that you see this black will start coming off, or it'll be dirty in there or greasy or anything. Nothing like that. Maybe it was used once, if that, but you can see that these are all like pretty pristine. So these are the gear wrenches. And so everything else here is Craftsman beside the gear wrench. And where do we start? Okay, here's a set of vice grips And they came in this pack. Like I said, a lot of this stuff looked new. It doesn't look like it was really like used at all. I don't know if someone was collecting Craftsman or what the deal was. But here's locking pliers. Again, this one doesn't look like it's seen much use, if any at all. It's a little dirty there. Maybe it did see a little bit of use, but kind of I never seen one like this before. Kind of a strange looking Craftsman. This is the 45341 model. It's kind of looks like an aggressive looking head there and teeth. So there's that. And here's a 3/8 breaker bar. Looks mint. Looks brand new. You can see here. It doesn't even look like it was ever used on a socket. See how brand new that is? Yeah. So there's a little breaker bar there. 3/8. And the speed wrench. Here's another Craftsman 3/8 speed wrench. Where are the markings on this? Oh, they're on the head here. So it's the Craftsman, letter H, USA. I think it says 44271 on there. Again, looks brand new. Doesn't even look like it was used at all. The tip here looks mint. Has a little like sticker residue there, but that should clean up real good. And some little pliers from Craftsman. This has a little pocket clip. I think it's 41421K KW, made in USA, 3/1/8. And here's another number 0 Phillips, and another 1/8 USA. And this one, I think, is the same one. It's identical. Yeah, same model. Different letter code, but same maker. These look brand new also. This one has a little schmutz there on the tip. Might have been used a little bit. And I got this whole set of nut drivers. The gray handles are metric and the clear handles are SAE. And just to show you some, they're color coded on the side of the grip. And these also look brand new. Doesn't look like any use at all. See, the tips are pristine and clean. It's a 7mm, made in USA, 4141983. This is the 5mm, 41981. And the red is the 6mm Craftsman. Yeah, they look brand new. And just to look at some of the SAE ones, is 5/16. They come with the clear handle. These also pristine. I don't think these were ever used, or maybe used once. And here's a quarter Craftsman 41971. And there's more there, but I don't want to go through every single one of them. What else here? Okay, just some small wrenches here. These look like they are the metric ones. Yep, these are the metric ones. Kind of a loose assortment. I don't think these are a full set. And some of them are double end, like this one. And I think most of them are combination combos, yeah. You see the letter code is a VV, so I'm pretty sure that's kind of late in the game for Craftsman USA VV codes. Not sure, but I think that was like later on. And this one I think has VA. It looks like VA there. And this one's kind of a little bit different from the others, and that has two open ends, 9mm and 7mm, and it's also VV letters there. And these are just more of the same. I think these are SAEs, yeah. Yeah, these are the SAEs, but same code VV. This one's a V or two V's. I don't know if it doesn't look like an A because I don't see a slash in the A. It looks like an upside down V, so it could be VV also. See what I mean there? Like that doesn't have an A slash across. It looks like two V's side by side, one upside down. This one has two box ends, 1/4 and 5/16. And this one's the combo, and the combo 5/16, 1/4, and a 3/8 combo. And also the V with the upside down V. So these also look brand new. They don't look like they've ever turned any bolts at all. All the boxes look pristine. This one might have a little tiny bit of rust starting, but the rest look like they came out of the factory. And on this, and these were kind of also a loose, kind of loosies that I picked up. These are a little bit different in that they are the Craftsman Professional series. I guess the Professional series was kind of a series of more luster, so you see these, they're all like shiny chrome all over, and these are kind of long, but I got like a mixed bag here. There's one metric. This one's a 7mm, and the number is 44. It's like 897, and like I said, they're pretty thin and long. Professional series. This one's a 3/8. It's 44923, and also looks brand new, never used. I tried to get sets, but the stuff was kind of spread out, and I'm not sure if people, I kind of, you know me, I'm always the last guy at the garage sale because I usually wake up late, and I try to get there maybe an hour or two before it closes, So already a lot of the stuff is gone. This one stop, I kind of lucked out at that a lot of this stuff was still there, but I think some of the stuff got picked at and might have got taken. Like this set of the Craftsman Professional, I tried to get all of them I could, but I think some are missing. This doesn't look like a complete set, and this set over here looks like it was picked at also. Doesn't look like a complete set. Okay, the stuff that I'm kind of glad I found is more these three here, or these four here. This is a set of Stubby. Stubby wrenches, Craftsman, which you don't really see that often. USA, this is a 3/4. They're pretty small. And 44109. And the code there is kind of wonky. It looks kind of like an Asian letter. I don't know what that is. It's USA, but it's got a weird symbol where the letter code usually is. And this one is the same. It's got that weird, looks kind of like a Japanese character where the letter code usually is. Am I seeing it right? Yeah. That doesn't look like an English letter at all. So this is, what did I say? Oh, 9/16, 44106, and these also pretty brand new. I don't think these were used at all. You can see there how clean they are. See how clean, and see that? See how it's still shining there? I don't think these ever turned any bolts at all. See the open ends. And I'm not sure if I got a full set of these either. It looks pretty like a decent sized set. The only thing that keeps me from thinking I got a full set is that they're all SAE except for one. This one. This one is a 10mm. So maybe somebody got there and picked up all the metrics in the Stubby category and left the SAEs, and they left the most important one behind, the 10mm. Have no idea, but I'm glad I found what I could in this condition, which is pretty cool. And these flare nut wrenches, this is a full set. This is 4 metrics and 4 SAEs. These also brand new, unused. Doesn't look like they turned the bolt ever. This is forged in USA. Again, the VA symbol, or V, upside down V. This is 5/8 and 11/16, 44173. Craftsman. And here's the 15mm and 17mm. This one has the VV, but they're both side by side. Normal. Almost looks like a W. 44178. But here we have the whole set. I was lucky enough to find these. It's 14 and 13, 10 and 12, 11 and 9. And the SAEs up here. So I'm happy I found that. And this is another set brand new in the case, in the bag. 6-piece combination open end and socket wrench, made of super tough steel. So we got the whole set here. And these are kind of hard to, I don't, these you rarely see also. So I'm kind of happy I found this set. And I found them brand new also. Except this one looks, no, this one looks pretty, no, they're all brand new. Yeah, I don't think these were used at all. They have socket ends, and this is the 5/8. It's 42545, has the VV. So this one also comes with the VV. Yep. This is the 3/4. Has the swivel socket end. And this one is the 42546, forged in the USA. And this is pretty cool. I'm glad I found these. Like I said, I rarely ever see these, and when I see them, they're pretty ratted out, or in pretty bad shape. But these are brand new, so I think that was a good score. And this is funny because you would think, okay, you found all this Craftsman stuff, you lucked out, right? Right. So I go to another place and I find this set of sockets, deep wall Craftsman sockets, and they're $10 for the whole set. All these down here for $10, and they're brand new. Craftsman G series 47533. This is the 1 1/8. Looks brand new. Doesn't look like there was a ratchet or breaker bar ever inserted. So yeah, so this was at a different place. Like, I think the next day I found these brand new deep wall Craftsmans. This is 7/8, made in USA. And this is leather upside down G1. Interesting. 47528. Here's a small one. This is a 1/2 inch Craftsman, deep wall, upside down G1 again, and 47521, again brand new. I don't think this set got ever used, and I found them for $10. So I guess that was a lucky weekend for me. Okay, how much did I spend on this? I think I spent like $80 on all this. The channel locks, the gear wrench, and all the sockets included, and the wrenches and screwdrivers and all that. I think I paid like 80. Yeah, I think it was something around that, something like $80. And I don't know, I think I did pretty good, considering some of the stuff is not that common and it was brand new. I mean, if this stuff was really in bad shape, then yeah, I probably paid too much. But since like almost 100% of it is brand new and never used, I think it's a pretty decent price. Oh, one thing I forgot to mention was the the screwdriver. I just thought it was hilarious, this big handle and this little end, but this looks like it might be useful actually. Again, brand new 5/16 Forge Craftsman WF 11586. So, alright guys, so let me know, what do you think about this? Was it worth 80 bucks, or maybe I spent too much? Alright guys, until next time.